is up, people? So today we're gonna be replacing the air filter and the cabin filter on my Infiniti. So the dealership where I got this car from, they lied that they replaced everything, and I believed them until I saw it that it was not replaced at all. So this will be a perfect video to replace both of the filters. And remember, the air filter under the hood is two. You need two of them because it's dual intakes. So yeah. And then the cam filter is just one, but there's a lot more to do when you change the cabin filter. You gotta take off a bunch of screws and stuff. It's easy, but not that easy. You need extension piece and all, and I'll show you what to do. So let's get to it. So as you guys can see, this is the cabin filter. This is the part number for it. You just need one of it. I'll share a link below. And I'm gonna install this last because this is the hardest one. The easiest one is the air filter, which is right here. And these are the part number. Same part number. It's just two of them. Okay. So this is the cabin filter, or air filter, not cabin filter. First of all, open the hood. This shouldn't be hard at all. This is very easy to do. We're gonna start off with the passenger side. So just pull these two tabs back, and then the case will slide right out like this. So as you can see, it's easy to take out the air filter. It slides right out. And you see it's nasty too. I'm glad I'm replacing it. So this is the new filter and this is the old filter. As you guys can see, it's same size. The one on the left, which is the old one, is dirty and it's OEM filter. So if you get OEM from Infiniti, it should look something like this. But I ended up getting from Advanced Auto Parts, and you can see it's completely different. But it gets the job done. So basically, you just put the filter in the little tray. It should slide right in back to the box. Once you slide it in, you should pop the tab back on, just like that. Snap. Same thing on the driver's side. It should be same, just two tabs, and then it slides right out. Shouldn't be hard at all. As you guys can see, it's also dirty on this side too, and it shouldn't be hard to replace either. Simple as that. Slides right in and two tabs, good to go. So these are the older filters, and you guys can see it's very dirty. So now we're done with the air filter. We're gonna get to the cabin filter. We're gonna replace the cabin filter. Let's see how dirty this one is. So first of all, we gotta make sure you take everything out of from here, because this will come off. So we gotta remove some screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. You'll need an extension tool to reach that, and the ones on the side. Let's get to it. I mentioned you gotta remove this too. The trimmer tool, and should be good to go. Or you can just do that. There we go. once you get all the screws on, just come right off like this. And then we gotta get the cam filter out. It's in here. So you pull this and then you slide it. Just like that. You pull out the old filter. So this is the new filter. I'm gonna put it in arrow pointing down. Put it back in there. Before we do that, I'm gonna spray this real quick. I usually use this for all my filters. It definitely helps. Just put this back in there. Just like that. Should be good to go. Make sure the arrow is pointing down. So once you put that in, you're gonna put this cover back on. There's tabs there. So you see this piece, the filter should be up, and so let's fix the filter real quick. This will go. So a tab here will go in, and then it should snap on just like that. And you're good to go on that part. Now we're gonna put the glow box back on. Once you put all the screws back on, there it works. And we're gonna put this car back on right here. Just like that. Yeah. We're good to go. All good to go. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'll post a link below for all the filters. And have a great day.